So today we'll see how to compile using an online debugger. So if you don't have a laptop, then you can use this method. So go to Google and then there you can write online C compiler. So you can go to the second link, that is click this, you go to here onlinegdb.com online C compiler. So this is how it will be. You can start running this program. So if you want to save it, you have to save this and you have to give your project name and you can save it. This location will be saved in your Google Drive. So if you want to run, you can just click this and run. If you see down, you will get the output here. So hello world. Enter, it will go up. So you can even debug with this. Click debug here. First time it will ask. So this is the GDB. It went inside GDB. If you want to see the command, you can just give L to see the code. So this is the code. Whatever you have here, it is displaying. So line number 10, it has this. You can run R from GDB. If you have any crash, it will break here. It started and it printed this. If you give Q, it will come out. So using this, you can use GDB online with a compiler. So this is to run, this is to debug, this is to stop in case you have any loop, and this you can share. This link you can share to others or you can copy this in another link. So this is for modification, you see, that is for alignment. So space alignment, everything. Want to download this code, you can download like this. So this is not only for C, you can try to practice any language you want. For example, C++. This will give sample code. So this will give C++. Same way you can learn Python, any, see all these languages, Golang. You can even learn Python. See, Python is there. So like this, see it has loaded the Python code. It has not loaded Python code. Here you have to change. Leave this page. Here you have to refresh it. So it came. So this is Python code. You can run. See, you got hello world. So if you want to change the language, you can just change language C++. See, C out. This is C++. So you have to go to onlinegdb.com and you select any language you want. You can come write the code. You can run, debug, share, save, anything you want you can do. This is a very useful tool. You can do this in mobile also. Mobile, you just go and type this onlinegdb.com and you can write the code here. Thank you.